Right now, they're trying to get this rice they harvested, trying to get that all bagged up. I don't know, 20, 30 bags, sacks. They'll take that to the rice mill, have it processed. It's quite a bit. Had rain for 3 days. They had to get it in off the fields or start going bad, start growing. So there was no rain today, so that's what they're doing. Drying out all they can get dried out. I'm not sure how many bags we'll have here, how many sacks. But we have rain in the distance, I think in the Philippine Sea. Hopefully they can get it all bagged up and put up before it rains. Well, that's it. And if you would, hit like and subscribe.